Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve the following pair of simultaneous equation by elimination method. Alright, so step 1 would then be for us to label the equation. This will be my equation 1 and my equation 2. And I realized that at this point in time, my x and my y, they don't have the same coefficient, same number. So what can we do to make sure that we can have a same coefficient for one of the variables? Well, notice what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will actually, for equation 1, I'm going to multiply by 3 throughout the equation. So that is step 1. I'm trying to make sure that I will have one variable that has the same coefficient. So after I multiply 3 throughout equation 1, I would have 3x plus 9y equals to 21. Then, how do we eliminate 3x and 3x? Yes. So please think about it. I will have 3x positive and 3x positive. Do I add them or do I minus them such that I could get 0? And that's how we eliminate one of the variable. Yes, we are going to minus away the 3x, meaning I would then have my equation 3 minus my equation 2. So 3x minus 3x, 0, eliminated. So this one eliminated, right? 9y minus negative y. So this is something very important. You must take note. I have a positive 9y minusing a negative y. This is really important. Okay. So this one will be equals to, again, equation 3 is 21 minus away my 6. So you will see 21 minus 6. Solve this equation. 9y minus a negative 1y will give me positive 10y. 21 minus 6 will be equals to 15. And after which, I will then be able to get my 1y by dividing by 10, 1.5. And next would then be for us to substitute this value of y into any of the 3 equations that we have found. Okay, so that will be the next step. Would then be substitute this y equals to 1.5. I will choose equation 1 since all are positive. So I'm going to choose equation 1. And therefore you will see x plus 3y equals to 7. So to make sure that we are not very confused, I'm going to erase away this so that it's neater. And looking at this, I still have my x. But notice what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will substitute this y with 1.5. So that we will be able to get the following answer. Okay, 3 times 3 times 1.5 is 4.5, and after which x will be equals to 7 minus 4.5. X equals to 2.5. And the last thing to do is for us to do a simple check, just to make sure our answers are good and correct. So I'm going to substitute into equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x. And what is my x? 2.5. Minus away my y. What is my y? 1.5. And I press calculator. Does this give me 6? Yes, it is. And therefore, our answer is correct. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.